Alright guys, so today we're going to be replacing the rear shocks on my 1999 Mustang. This is a pretty simple job. You can do it in your driveway with just simple hand tools. So the tools you need for this job is a breaker bar, socket set, and of course some new shocks. And that's pretty much it, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is start in the trunk to reach the top bolt of the shocks. So the first thing you gotta do is remove your trunk liner. Alright, so once you got most of your trunk trim removed, you can see the bolt for the top of the strut right there, or the shock, excuse me. Okay, now we're going to come under the car and loosen the shock from underneath. So on this side you need an 18mm socket, and on this side is a 15mm socket. So go ahead and loosen this bolt. And now your shock should be able to come out. Now you should be able to pull out your shock. Alright, now you want to go get your new hardware. So you're going to put the washer on the bottom, and then you're going to put this rubber boot on top. Then you're going to place the shock in position and put it in the hole in the top. So we're going to line that up. Now we're going to push the shock up into place. Get your bolt, slide it all the way through. Just like that. Now you're going to come with your nut on the other end. You can go ahead and hand tighten it first. Now you can get your socket to hold it in place. And tighten it down with the electric ratchet. If it doesn't feel tight enough, you can come behind with the manual ratchet and tighten it even further. Alright, so then you're going to place your other rubber washer on top, put the metal washer on, and then put on the top nut. And if it's not in all the way, you might have to go under the car and push it up a little bit, or you can take a pry bar and pull it up a little bit as well. Alright, now you're going to take a 19mm socket and tighten down the top nut. Okay, all you guys got to do next is just replace your trunk liner and you guys should be good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. See y'all next time.